Alright, so a customer from Germany sent me actually about 4 units to repair them. This is an ECU. It's from Mercedes, and it was bent in an accident, so we have some components damaged on the board. The customer wants to replace them because he cannot find another ECU. Okay, so so far I already seen all the damaged components here. There are 5 capacitors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are bent, including this one that is not marked. And the board is a little bit bent. That's the part that concerns me about this issue. Okay, so let's go ahead and replace those. He actually sent me 2 Aston Martin's diagnostic tools and one Aston Martin lamp, rear lamp. Okay, let's switch to the microscope. First of all, let's see. Okay, here we have the terminals for the capacitors, for 2 of them. Okay, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some flux. We need to desolder all of this, and I'm gonna apply low melt solder with a big tip. Look at that. I'm applying a little bit of low melt solder to mix with the leaded solder or unleaded solder from the factory, and lower the melting temperature . Okay, I need to reach the other side of the board because that capacitor will come off right now. It's a little bit hard to keep the camera focused. Oh, it's out. The first one is out. You can see that it's bent right here on the bottom. So we have 35 volts and 470 microfarads. So those are the replacement capacitors, and they are the same. Let's do the same thing here. So if I can connect all the 3 pins with the soldering iron, and keep the solder melted. In that position I should be able to remove like that, just like that, from the other side of the board. And another capacitor is out. Look at the bending. Okay, let's move on. We have two here, 1, 2. Add some flux. It's really hard to desolder those kind of capacitors. With the regular solder it's a big difference. You can remove them with hot air and combination with the soldering iron, or with a vacuum pump, electric vacuum pump. Let's see. Just like that, you can see it's harder. No, I'm gonna use the same technique. Pull out gently from the other side, and it's out. Okay. Move on. So one of the caps was in short circuit. I measured them. I think I'm gonna measure them out of the circuit to see. This one is out too, and one more to go. It's right here. Right here. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. So it's out. And right now I need to wipe this solder from those holes. So, and it's easier to do that when you have normal solder. Okay. Let's cut the wood. I want to move fast because I'm trying to cover in one video maybe 2 of these units. Let's see. Okay, of course the OBS software crashed, but that's it. I lost maybe 2 minutes of video. So I cleaned every hole, and let's do the same on this side. Okay, I want to see which capacitor has a short circuit. This one, no. This one, no. So this one is the shorted cap. We have 1.1 ohms. Okay, let's check this one too. And maybe this one. No. Okay. The shorted cap was here. So here on the board we do not have a short circuit. Let's check on those two. Nothing. Here. Nope. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder the new capacitors. I'm holding them one by one with my finger on the other side. Okay, let's add some flux. one is ready. Let's do the second one. Nice soldering, right? This looks better. I have some scratches here, and then I don't want to cause a short circuit between those pins. Let's check for that. Okay, it looks okay. Good, let's move on. Let's put another one. Okay. Okay, 2 more caps to go. See the difference between soldering with flux or without? It's way different. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, I'm gonna do a break, and then I'm gonna test the unit on bench to see if we have any connection. So it looks like that after replacing the components. Okay, the ECU is connected. I'm gonna press connect, and I'm gonna inspect the board with a thermal camera to see if everything looks okay. Oh, it's already red. Before the replacement of those caps, there was no connection with this ECU, and I'm gonna make a full backup. Just in case the customer wants to replace the module. So everything is looking good. Okay, so I'm reading this ECU right now. I want to make a full backup in case there's still something wrong with that ECU. Now that we have connection with it, it's a good chance to make a backup.